Here's what we have going on. We're taking a look at 29 degrees at O'Hare right now, 28 degrees at Waukegan, 28 degrees at Morris, and 32 degrees at Kankakee. Winds out of northwest at about 8 miles per hour. And around the Chicago area, we do have a touch of fog in the air in some places. You can see our visibility is knocked down just a bit, 1 3/4 mile at DeKalb, 2.5 miles at Kankakee, a couple miles at Gary, Indiana. So some pockets of fog here and there around Chicago, and we'll see that again as we go into the nighttime hours tonight. Lots of clouds around. We'll hold on to clouds as we go through the day today for the most part. Some breaks in the clouds, particularly if you're up to the north. But expect a mostly cloudy sky as we go through the day with temperatures that come in the mid-30s. Your normal high this time of year is 31 degrees. When we get to tonight, we increase our chance to see a little snow around here. It won't amount to much. I think a coating to an inch of snow, and much of that to the south and southeast of the city. Here's your satellite radar tracker. This 10 o'clock in the morning. You see we have some clear skies to the north here. And then as we go into the nighttime hours, we bring that snow in, especially to the south. And again, a coating to maybe an inch of snow. It's not a big deal. It moves out of here, and by daybreak tomorrow, it's out of here, and we start to see a little bit of sunshine in our day for tomorrow. So 36 today and tomorrow. That snow during the nighttime hours, and then we see a little bit of sunshine and temperatures that really run a little bit above the norm as we go through the rest of the week, coming in at nearly 40 degrees by the time we hit Wednesday. Suzanne.